Hey guys, we are at a factory where our game is being made.
The MOMTRUTHS game.
I mean, go figure, I don't know.
Here we are. We're gonna take you on a tour and show you how a game is made because we have no idea.
Well, not really. We're gonna show how our game looks.
Assembled.
Did you think you were a badass when you walked into that?
I was a badass. Didn't I look like a badass?
There were so many people working in there.
Right.
We were like, hi, and they were like, hi.
Hey, who are you? I'm Kat.
Like, it was like the movies.
Right, didn't really know what to do. And people were talking serious. I'm like, dude, can we just smile a little bit? Because we're funny.
I have an announcement to make. Kat and Nat are in the building. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Make an announcement.
Hi, just so you know, we're so thrilled to be here launching
this
our
isn't a
new
microphone?
game.
This is, okay.
Do you want to know how easy the instructions are? They fit on one page.
And the font's pretty big.
Yeah, it is. I hear you, girl.
Why are our faces so shiny?
We're creating a game called MOMTRUTHS. It is for us moms to have some fun. It's actually for women everywhere. You don't even need to be a mom to like to laugh and have a good time.
That's what we like to do. That's why we created this game for you and for us. Grab a cocktail, grab your girls, and have a game night.
You want to laugh your face off, do it, and be a little bit naughty.
We went live and talked about my bodysuit that was up my ass.
In front of all the people that work there.
Well, that's what you do.
And guys, we love your support, and
Yes, we do.
We love your support, and everything you do and everything we create is for people to have more fun and to feel like they belong and so they feel like they're not alone. And us coming here to the factory today is to show you what we're doing so we don't all of a sudden be like, oh my god, we have a game. So guys, the first 100 games that are purchased will get...
What do we think, we're in a fucking commercial? Hey, wait for you first.
A card with our signature in it that we're doing right now. So they'll be going in to the first 100 boxes. Hashtag tag Kat and Nat so we can see who got the signature. And we're using a hot pink Sharpie.
It's cool to see, though.
It was really cool to watch. I'm not gonna lie.
kind of interested.
Like, I can't. You're watching it. Oh, you're like, oh, this is interesting. Who? Oh, it's us.
I mean, yeah.
Here we go.
Here we go Hey.
This one's for you.
That one's for you. Here we go. Just for
Hi, we're in our factory.
When Kat and Nat go to a factory,
I stole the bike.
It's hot in here.
It is hot in here.
It's fine.
Okay.
We were trying to be cute there. See that?
Well, we tried to get an Instagram moment.
Yeah.
Like, we're like, watch me on a bike.
That's really funny.
Slow down. Kat.
Get ready to bike ride. You know what? I love bikes. Like back in Florida.
We are putting in a dozen golden tickets, just like on Willy Wonka. You get it. You got to look at your box, and you're the winner.
You can't say that.
A dozen random winners.
Do I get some too?
No.
Up or down, Matt?
12 in a row. And last but not least, the golden ticket. Congratulations. Hi guys.
Oh, wow, you do sexy today.
I wasn't trying to be sexy.
Hi, guys.
So we're going to teach you how to play.
We're actually going to play.
It comes with instructions, simple instructions, just one simple page. But we have an assistant who's going to read us the instructions. Thank you, Mommy. 4 packs, 3 pink and 1 purple. So 5 cards each.
5. Voila. Hide them. Breast your cards from your opponents. Hold them to your boobies.
It's weird that they say
Titties.
that.
You know I'm gonna say titties every vlog. Hold them to your titties.
We're gonna pretend the judge is here. He's hot. He's got his shirt off and he's a sexy single man. No, wait, okay.
Each player chooses one of the pink cards from their hand and secretly places it face down next to the face up purple card.
What does the purple card say, Kat?
The most random thing I carry in my purse is I'm winning.
What happens next, Vanna?
The dealer shuffles the pile of submitted face down pink cards and reads the purple card paired with each of the pink cards individually, creating different hilarious mom truths.
The most random thing I carry in my purse is
My sex toy collection. I won, right?
You're so lucky.
I don't like my face when I laugh hard.
Okay.
I need to work on that. Like, I just want to laugh like this. But I always go like this.
You go.
And the whole face just goes like, ah. You know? Like, I want to be like,
You're like,
The judge selects her choice of the best pairing of cards that created the best mom truth. Whichever player had played the select pink card wins the round.
The purpose of the game is to have fun. In Kat's world, it's to win. And for me, it's for every time I lose a card to have another set.
Lure, man. I didn't see. I wasn't making. I was watching the. High five.
Have fun with your girls.
Woo! Besties. Woo! Besties. Woo!
it was fun to be a part of the process, you know, because instead of like just all of a sudden having a packaged product, we want to share with you guys like how it happens, because I don't know how it happened.
all right.
We're done,
We're going
right?
to work on our laughs. You know what? We're going to work on our look. We're going to work on, you know what? It's time.
Okay, well, here.
Yeah.
I just like, I like to feel my laugh, but it's like,
I like to feel in my feelings.
Know, not many people have pictures and videos of them laughing.
You got to get out, but thanks for coming. Thank you. I got to go to swimming.
Bye.
Bye. See you later.
Bye.
Subscribe. Leave us a comment.
Do that. Bye.
We're going to have fun.